Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imel Rahmadani. I am from 11 Science 2. I will describe about Lemelu Lake.
Central Sulawesi, to be precise, in Banggai Island, there are natural attractions that are very beautiful and still very beautiful and very clean. Lemelu Lake name. This lake is located in Lemelu Village, Bolagi Selatan District, Bolagi Island Regency, Central Sulawesi. To get to Lemelu Lake, it can take approximately 4 hours from the city or district center. And when we arrive at the location, we have to walk again for about 10 to 15 minutes with a route of travel by crossing sharp rocks and crossing clear reefs. However, it will all pay off when you arrive at the location. The charm of a beautiful landscape is a treat for an exotic view with some mini waterfalls that can spoil your vacation in the area of Central Sulawesi Banggai Island Regency. For the natives and residents of Peling Island and its surrounding, Lemelu Lake is very famous. This is because this natural attraction have a story behind the formation of the valley or lake. According to legend, it is said that in ancient times there were no spring in this place. But at the time there was a young man named Langgabule. He was promised that when he was an adult, he would be married to a beautiful girl named Lemelu. However, by the time she grew up, it turned out that the girl had been married off to the man her father had chosen. And at once, the young man was very disappointed. Then the young man his disappointment and went to this place to meditate. Then cursed this place. Suddenly, there was heavy rain and a strong wind. And not long after that, there was a landslide around the house of the girl who had failed to be her life companion. Then the girl's house was buried and all the contents of the house turned into rocks. And then the place turned into a lake which was named Lemelu. Lemelu Lake is also one of the most unique lakes in the Proud Archipelago, where once every 6 months this lake this lake will grow green grass, and every 6 months there will be a tide with a depth of several meters and the formation of a circular lake within parts. The center is an arrangement of rocks of various shapes, and this Lemelu Lake will turn into a large lake in the rainy season. Meanwhile, in the dry season, this lake will look like a valley. So, for travelers who are outside part of the island and around the island, don't forget to visit it.
Setelah saya menjelaskan tentang Danau Lemelu, saya akan memberikan pesan moral yang terkandung di dalam cerita tersebut dan keuntungan saya dalam belajar bahasa Inggris. Pesan moralnya adalah ketika kita berjanji, maka kita harus menepatinya. Dan keuntungan saya dalam belajar bahasa Inggris adalah selain bisa menambah ilmu pengetahuan saya juga bisa mengeksplor keindahan wisata alam yang berada di daerah saya, yaitu Banggai Kepulauan, menggunakan bahasa Inggris ini. Terima kasih.